Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 10 latest defense updates. Number 1. Dry Kaveri plus AB waits for the date with LCA-TEJAS. Officials of the Gas Turbine Research Establishment GTRE are elated with the recent achievement of the Dry Kaveri engine, which has demonstrated a thrust class of 48 kN. As a result, discussions have commenced with state-owned Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, an aeronautical development agency, regarding the integration and testing of an afterburner variant of the engine on board an older LCA-TEJAS aircraft, likely to take place later in this decade. Next, India's SLCM to be tested from Kilo-class submarine. In an article published by the Times of India, it has been revealed that the Indian Navy is preparing to conduct tests of long-range land attack cruise missiles from a Russian Kilo-class electric diesel conventional submarine. These will be an advanced version derived from the subsonic Nirbhay cruise missile program. Next, IRF and SFC to be in charge of India's nuclear and non-nuclear missiles. The Indian Armed Forces are set to establish the Integrated Rocket Force, which will serve as the fourth main division of the military. Functioning as a separate entity but under the authority of the Ministry of Defence, the IRF will play a crucial role as the primary defence wall of India, equipped with a range of advanced weaponry, including surface-to-surface, Pralay tactical missiles, subsonic long-range land attack cruise missiles, BrahMos supersonic cruise missiles, Pinaka multi-barrel rocket systems, and other standoff weapons. The IRF will enhance India's defensive capabilities. Next, US is showing interest to transfer nuclear energy technology to India. The US is very keen to collaborate with India in the area of technology transfer on the nuclear energy front, a senior government official said on Wednesday. Next, French defense major Safran Group opens unit in Kerela. French defense major Safran Group on Wednesday opened a unit and began operations here in a development that is expected to invigorate the state's effort to become the nation's hub in the aerospace sector. Kerala Industries Minister P. Rajiv inaugurated the test center for aerospace and defense products set up near Technopark on Wednesday. Next, INAS 312 squadron clocks 40,000 hours of operation. This squadron, operating P-81 aircraft based at Tamil Nadu Arakkonam, has clocked 40,000 hours, completing a decade of diverse naval operations, officials said on Wednesday. The first P-81 had landed at INS Rajali on May 15, 2013 with Captain H.S. Jhaj as the first commanding officer, they said. Next, Idea Forge launches its latest upgraded NETRA V4 Pro at Exponential 2023. Ideal Forge Technology Limited, the pioneer and the preeminent market leader in the Indian unmanned aircraft systems industry, with a market share of approximately 50% as of fiscal 2022, as per the One latest report, launched its latest upgraded UAV NETRA V4 Pro at Exponential 2023. The NETRA V4 Pro has a flight time of over 90 minutes. Next, China and Turkey might opt out of Kashmir G20 meet. According to sources familiar with the matter, China and Turkey, both G20 member states, will not be attending a tourism working group meeting scheduled to take place in Srinagar next week. The event, slated for May 22nd to 24 is considered one of the largest international gathering held in Kashmir since the abrogation of Article 370 in August 2019. While several other countries are expected to have low-level participation, it remains unclear if Indonesia, the previous G20 president, will attend the meeting in Srinagar. Next, Punjab sanctions 20 crore for installing CCTVs at strategic border areas. Mr. Maan has sanctioned 20 crore for CCTV cameras installation at strategic locations in border villages to maintain a strict vigil on the movement of drones and smugglers, a senior police official said on Wednesday. Next, India-EU agree to coordinate policies in strategic semiconductor sector. India and the European Union have agreed to coordinate their policies in the strategic semiconductor sector with an aim to conclude an agreement by September in the first ministerial meeting of the Trade and Technology Council in Brussels. A day after the high-level meeting, the Ministry of External Affairs said that there was an exchange of views on issues of significance like economic security and promoting connectivity projects in third geographies, including agreeing to identify projects for joint implementation. Thank you.